Hello, my students, how are you? I decided to record today's lesson. It's about question words or WH questions, also the word WH questions. These words are used to form questions in English, okay? We have who, that is used to talk about people, is not used to talk about things, only people. The translation is quién, who are you? Which, that is used to ask about people and things, but we use it when we have to make a choice, for example, between two things or more, okay? The translation is cuál. What is used to ask about people, animals, and things. We can say, what are you doing, ¿qué? Or what is your name, cuál. What is the difference between which and what? That which makes selection, okay? A selection or a choice. And what doesn't make a selection or choice. Whose, talk about position. Whose is this pen? ¿De quién? When we want to ask about time. Where, about place. Why, about a reason, and the answer is because. And how is to ask the way the things are done, okay? How, ¿cómo? Then we have combinations of these question words with another word. For example, let me show you. These are some of them, okay? What color, what kind of, what time, how many and how much, how old are you? You already know that. How often. These are combinations of question words with another word, okay? These are a few. And then how can we form a question in English? Okay, we have two forms, with verb to be and with auxiliary. With the verb to be, remember, these are present tense. We have to change the order of the sentence to make a question. If I say, he is an actor, and I wanted to ask, I have to pass the verb to be first. Is he an actor? Are you tired? Okay, first the verb to be, to form a question. With auxiliary, remember, do or does in the present tense. If we have to use auxiliary, is because we don't have verb to be. Do you live here? Does your sister work? First goes the auxiliary, then the subject or the pronoun, and then the verb, okay? Okay, with these WH words and verb to be. What are you doing? Who are you? First, we are going to put the question word, and then the verb to be, okay? And then the subject, and if you have to use another verb, goes after the subject. W word or question word plus auxiliary. So we don't use verb to be. What do you want? Why does she run? First the question word, then the auxiliary, okay? Then the subject, and then the other verb, okay? These are the ways we have to form a question. So now let's practice.